So it's the red dress hash today. And we're in the hills. In the Blue Mountains actually.
Donna, you owe me.
There's Sky in her red dress. Hey Sky.
Quickly. Okay, you actually heard.
Hey.
I couldn't bloody help but
You giving it to me? Thank you. You don't want any more? Thank you.
Under 5 kilometers, and it's different from the last time. It's that way.
Do we believe?
There are false trails. Just look out for them. You have to look at the paper. He's going to be in the front. I'm giving it back. And look at my new toy. Where's yours? We have radios. So he'll be in the front, and I'll be in the back. Go, go, go. And so last time we all got lost up there. You have to follow the paper, and I've got a radio, and he's got a radio. If you get lost with one of us two, we will find each other. If you get lost without us, you're still going to be lost. Okay? No, I didn't get a radio.
Technology, and you're still confusing.
Look at that. It doesn't get any better than this, gang, I'm telling you. No, one more thing before you're all here. The Hash Christmas party is still on Saturday, the 8th of December. I need you to buy the tickets before we leave here today. On that way. I'm the last marker. Let's go, 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 go.
I'm not walking, but I'm just going to the top of the hill area. Girl, my feet are killing me.
Let's go.
Like them shoes dread.
What Kevin is doing? Eating. It's hydration day. Come.
Go to Auntie Cavell. Yeah. Stay with Auntie. Come, stay with Auntie Cavell. Don't be like that.
Mommy?
It's beautiful. And cool and nice. Next time when I know there's a hash, I'm not gonna drink and dance the night before. Mommy. Here, she starts saying mommy now. Okay, so this is where we're at. Starlight Chalet and El Spa. So we're in Silver Hill Gap. And
If it tastes good, no pick 2 more in there for me.
him said just right around this, so we're not Jamaican, tell you, you know. When a Jamaican tell you just right round this, so best believe me, I not just right round this, so. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, wow, it's nice. Is that guava?
The one above you. Oh, but the one that look better. The one that look better on time. The one from the other lane.
This one?
No, other lane. Under the leaf.
Yeah, that one beside it.
No, beside, behind it.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Might have enough for him.
Oh God.
Where this road eventually got to?
This farm is Wallingford.
They're all the way down there. And they're gonna come back up here.
So these are privately owned homes.
See Alexandra there?
How many you have on the road here? This one? 2. And 2, this one.
See Alexandra. I went to take home somebody's
Them
old
rent
man's beer. And throw it on my tree.
They have a guest house down low. Oh, look up by the hill.
Yeah.
Look up. We have long walk. See them there?
Oh, so far?
Yeah.
Them reach far?
So that would have been done. That would have done you well.
Yes, done me indeed.
No, but you
She's some, I don't know.
You can go over. Where? You know the dance?
Yeah. And she looks like you.
Big up my friend them. It's a video? Yeah. Big up my friend them. Yeah, Mishka. I see you. Wagwan Sky. Anton, another place.
Big up
Him
one of
too,
my friend
name. Yeah. Big up Monique.
Davel him name.
Daviel.
Davel.
Big up David.
I wonder how long this ash going to take, both.
Should I give her the other one and watch her face?
You have to pay. Albert.
You have the best thing here.
What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been in Kingston? What are you doing in Kingston? Don't think that. Live and just live in. Who made you come? Peter made you come.
Oh, that's good.
How long have you known him?
About 3 years.
And he made you come today for the first time. What's your name? Where are you from?
Ochi.
In Ochi?
Yeah, I'm in Ochi.
What are you doing in Ochi?
Work.
Work? Yes. Who made you come?
Double! We got a good double! That's
Kadeen made you come. And despite the Durex, you still came. Huh? Everybody look at this shirt. You still came despite the Durex, so you can still come even when you use Durex. Alright, who you have?
They are ashes, true and true. They are ashes, so I'm a long way. Drink it down, 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 down. Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting?
This is the point. Remember I said some people can't even turn up in red. Look,
Security check,
look,
sir.
little
Security
baby
check.
turns up in red completely. And you, sir, put
Could
your
you
beard down.
kindly
You
raise
come
the
forward.
child
Yeah.
so I can
You
Okay.
got most red. You put
Say,
your beard away.
sir.
Oh, shoot.
Best stripe.
Now put it down, man. That's for the child.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
That's for you, sir, because you actually went in red. Well, you didn't get your red shoes or socks, but anyway. And someone says you got a rugby shirt on. Is that a rugby shirt?
No, not rugby.
Beer shirt.
Beer shirt.
Oh, beer shirt. There you win.
look at
You
the
win,
back.
you win just for getting a beer shirt on you.
I mean, some people wear
Spin around. Spin around. Spin away.
Right, here we go to the best dressed man and the best dressed baby. Oh, the best dressed people. They say. Oh, look, you got here.
Right. I've seen them. The hash is over for today. That was the last ash for 2018, and I must say I've only been like to 1 or 2 ashes for the year, and that's so bad. So hopefully 2019 I can go on more hashes. But that's that. Time to eat some food, and then after which we'll hit the road, Jack.